Hey AutoZoners, Chris Walker back with Nano Pro MT. Just want to give a quick update on the 2009 F-150 that we have here that gets its oil changed only once per year. Picked up good quality oil from AutoZone as well as an oil filter. Typically I use synthetic in this one, but you can use semi-synthetic if you want. This truck only gets its oil changed once per year, so I typically use synthetic. It's done the full nano treatment with it in terms of both the gear oil as well as the nano cool. Nano cool in the coolant has definitely helped it in terms of keeping the truck cool and towing. Gear oil as well, just a super synthetic gear oil, and then the nano additives for both heat transfer and lubricity already have, you can already tell a big difference. As I told you before, we use this oil in testing in terms of racing. Won several races with it, kept the gearbox cool. This one we're going to do oil change with the stabilizer again. Picked up over 1 mile per gallon already. Of course, that's with the addition of the gear oil as well as the stabilizer. Don't really like to tout mile per gallon changes because you and I both drive differently, and their temperature changes and different wet road conditions, but you can definitely tell a difference in the seat of the pants as far as the truck goes. Just want to give a quick update on it. Make sure to follow us on both Instagram, Twitter, as well as Facebook, and for sure give us questions if you got any questions or any comments. We've had a couple questions recently about the diesel as well as far as the oil stabilizer being used in diesel. Already had a lot of people who use both Cummins as well as some of the older Power Strokes and already have shown really great improvements in terms of stiction as well as vibration reduction. Also, we're going to use some of the dry lubricant on some of the hinges on this truck and just help it out in terms of corrosion as well as good operation. Check back with me and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.